It's almost June, and shoppers know that June brings big sales on spring and summer clothing. Consumer reporter John Matarese has found other great deals this month, so you don't waste your money. John?
A follow-up now to a story I first had on 9 on Your Side last night at 11. It concerned things to buy and things not to buy in June. Now, since that report, we've heard from viewers with some other great suggestions. Several have pointed out on Facebook that plants and outdoor flowers are now being marked down since May planting season is coming to an end. And they tell me they're finding good markdowns on furniture and the start of patio set discounts. Well, here's what Deal News says. Deal News says June brings sales on summer clothing and Victoria's Secret's annual summer sale. Tools are marked down just in time for Father's Day gifts, and late June brings the first big sales on barbecue grills. What not to buy? Deal News says hold off on Apple purchases. Updated phones, iPads, and laptops are coming very soon. And hold off on laptops until late June or July. You'll find some great sales in June, though remember, if it's school-related, you might want to wait another month for the big back-to-school deals. Now, don't go away. I'll be back at 5:30 with a brand new consumer alert about the problem with paying to get a copy of your credit score, why it may not be worth it so you don't waste your money.